National High School, home to future leaders, innovators, and skilled professionals. The heart of our institution lies General Academic Strand, or GAS, a program designed to equip students with holistic knowledge and skills. Among our diverse academic offerings is the General Academic Strand, or GAS, a program designed to equip students with a broad knowledge, base, and versatile skills.
General Academic Strand at Libertad National High School is designed to prepare students for future success. Their students choose to pursue higher education, enter the workforce, or start their own ventures. The program equips them with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to excel in their chosen path. Our General Academic Strand offers a broad education that can be applied to any field. It's a flexible curriculum designed for the curious minds, the dreamers, and also the explorers.
What I love about GAS Strand is the sense of community. We're all learning together, supporting each other, and growing as individuals. Being in the GAS Strand allows me to explore different fields. It's like getting taste of everything, which helped me to decide what I want to pursue in the future.
One of the best things about being in the General Academic Strand is the sense of camaraderie. We're like a big family, supporting each other and cheering each other on.
I've made some of my closest friends here in General Academic Strand. We share a passion of growing and learning, and this bond goes beyond our classrooms.
Yes, program. Students form strong bonds and friendships that last a lifetime.
Sampah daun adalah sampah organik. Sampah daun dapat terurai dengan mudah. Sampah daun termasuk sampah organik.
Okay, they consider choosing GAS Strand at Libertad National High School because we know that GAS students are performing well and lots of teachers teaching subjects in